On the streets, first responders waded through knee-deep water, guiding commuters to higher ground. Firefighters carried children from stalled buses. NYPD officers helped elderly riders out of flooded station entrances. In Queens, sanitation trucks doubled as rescue vehicles, ferrying people through waist-high currents. Every few blocks, the whine of generators echoed against the thunder. The MTA later confirmed that crews pumped out roughly 15 to 16 million gallons of water before dawn, enough to fill 25 Olympic pools. Transit officials called the event one of the fastest system-wide floods in decades. Miraculously, no lives were lost inside the subway that night.